back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable and disable any Mac updates and as well as Apple Store updates as well. Alright, let's get started. So let's find the Apple logo, right top left hand corner. Then we're going to go to System Preferences, and then from here we're going to go to App Store. And then here you're gonna see, automatically check for updates. Download newly available updates in the background. So this is how I have my computer set up. I don't really like downloading any new updates in the background because, especially if I'm running low on memory, then it can get pretty annoying. And then I'm wondering where all my storage and when and whatnot, especially if I only have 5 or 6 gigs left. I do have install system data files and security updates, just in case, just to be safe. Don't want to be running into any problems there. If you click here, here's all the updates in the App Store, and then you can just hit here. I have, let's see how many I have. I have 3 currently. I have a software update as well. I'm not going to put that on yet. But yeah, and then Shazam, and then iMovie. I'll probably be only downloading this one because I use it a lot. Also, I should mention that I am currently running on macOS High Sierra version 10.13.6. Okay, and you guys can turn it off or on, whatever you want. If you hit this on, then you can also do install app updates and install macOS updates as well. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to keep mine off. Actually, I'm going to keep mine on, but leave this one on. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. This is How To Tech Tips. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Cheers.